Berlin, last couple of minutes, what was going through your head whenever that edge of the square?
Look, it happened in the league final as well. We just have that experience now. Like, we have those older girls who can just say, don't panic. Like, we gave away a tremendous lead, and we just, when we went to point up, we just said, we still have it, we can still do it. We just needed to keep our composure, and we did.
Can you believe it? Can you believe it that you're now All-Ireland champions?
Oh, it's honestly a dream. Like, I have no words.
Yeah, and tell me, the 2 goals you had in the first half, they really set you up, but in the second half, you struggled to get the scores in to add on and to finish the game off?
I think if we were being overly critical of ourselves, we have a tendency when we get a lead to go a bit too defensive when, you know, you want to keep playing freely, and maybe we went a bit too defensive. They opened us up. Like, they're unbelievable. Like, Claire, like, since I've been playing against that team, some of those girls since I was 12, so they're just absolutely top class, so you can't give them anything.
But your composure on the ball and your movement up front was dynamic, was brilliant to see you throughout the game.
Yeah, look, we got the job done, thank God. I actually don't have any words. I'm just speechless now. I'm so happy.
And a sigh of relief then, a last gasp whenever the ball went in and you heard the final hooter.
Oh my God, it feels like it's a bit of a blur. I feel like that last few minutes was just, all we had to do was just get the ball. Like, we've practiced that at training, and it really is something where we say we can keep the ball for 3-4 minutes if we need to, and we did it, and we got over the line.
Well, Tyrone Costello Shaw, Harton TT Car, Duish Lake na Himmer of Running Words, Róisín Byrne, Slat Moihu Hian.